How to change Google Chrome language in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Chrome browser on your device and tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen over here. Then here you can see the option of settings, so just tap on settings. Now scroll down and you can see different options over here. Now just tap on languages over here, and at the top you can see Chrome's language, so just tap on that. Right now it is activated, or it is toggled on for English United States. Now if you want to change the language, you can just tap on, for example, French, and now it will be downloading the language for the Chrome browser. Now you just have to restart the Chrome and it will change the Chrome's language. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.